Welcome back to Road to 250 Gold Stars. This is Mushroom Gorge. And this, honestly, I can't say for sure, but it might be the second most difficult expert ghost I've ever beaten. Now, it took me like 5 hours to beat. Or honestly, I'd say maybe slightly less than that. But if we count like months ago when I tried to beat this ghost, in total I probably put like 8 hours into it. I did try delay drifting a few turns in, getting a slip drift on the bridge. Before I get into it, this ghost is very difficult. Arguably the second most difficult one I've done. The track's pretty nice. Took me, I don't even know how many hours at this point. But yeah, so what makes this ghost difficult is it drives really well with the jet bubble, and that's obvious, and it forces you to do a lot of difficult strategies. Like the mushroom skip is very difficult to do 3 for 3. Now, it's nothing crazy difficult to do, but it's still quite a challenge to do 3 for 3. Because if you're unlucky like I was there, you can like clip the very edge of the mushroom and still hit it. Meaning it's actually much harder to avoid than it looks. Combined with this mushroom section always being a gamble. And the gap jump is decently difficult, but nothing crazy difficult. I mean, I'm good at spin drifting, and since I can spin drift, the gap jump's like free. But what happens is the gap jump is a nightmare to take on lap 3. I had 2 runs that were gonna beat the ghost, but then the nerves got to me and I messed up the gap jump lap 3. So being forced to do a shortcut like the gap jump at the end of lap 3 is like a nightmare, because the nerves get to you and then you'll mess up the gap jump, which sucks. Ooh. Yikes, camera angle really went downhill, I'm sorry about that. Well, bye. Oh, also, the ghost drives really fast, so you also have to drive fast and pull off the strats. But there is some room for error, but even though there is some room for error, as much as there's a lot of room for error, you know, it's so easy to make errors on this track, making it very difficult. But bye.